who has been part of this squad, as I said. And that's a nice ball through by Jobby. Here's Bright. He has space. Opens it up. There's Bright again. Beautifully done. And Bright Enabakare knows exactly why Indian football fans love him and why he loves to come to India and make his mark. Confidence slightly lower this time. He's a confidence player. Plays it through. Opportunity now for Shillong Lajong. This is a nice move. This is much better from them. Made towards the right hand side. Here we go. We want to cut inside. In fact, he goes out this time, but wasn't too favored on that right foot assist. Beautifully goes through the nutmeg and mention Gold Cup, and you will get everybody's ears perked up and eyes glittering. Time for a corner though. It was the second post. White shirt was rising. Holds the defense really nicely. Now, nice ball played out to Robilal Mandi. Decent delivery. Bobby Justin is there. Bobby Justin will finish. He's got the 2-2. There's Mandi. With an awkward ball. Afolabi has to send off.